Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams. Have you ever wondered how to add more cash flow, more profit, and at the end of the day, more money to your business with CPA marketing? If so, stick with me through this entire video, as in today's video, I'm gonna share with you CPA marketing tips for beginners to add more cash flow. Hey, my name is Misha Wilson, and in the last few years, I've done over $10 million in sales online. And in that process, I've used CPA marketing to create multiple streams of income, once again, add more cash flow, and just essentially serve as a side gig for my primary business. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to find the best offers, where to find the best networks, and how to select the best offers so you can make more money fastest. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, here we are. So the first thing I wanna cover before we go ahead and cut to my screen here is the difference between CPA marketing and regular affiliate marketing and when you should use one or the other. So CPA stands for cost per action. And essentially what that means is that you're gonna get paid every single time someone takes a specific action. So it could be set to, a lead being converted, and you might be getting paid $2 or $3 every single time you send someone a lead. It might be a purchase, and you might get paid every single time someone buys something from a link that you go ahead and send to, an affiliate link, and it's a set cost, a set amount that you get paid when someone goes ahead and purchases. Now, that's not shocking. That's kind of how regular affiliate marketing works to begin with. But the difference between CPA marketing and regular affiliate marketing is really twofold. So there are pros and cons of both, to be completely and totally transparent. That's kind of what I want to go over right now. So the pros of CPA marketing is that if someone refunds, the commission doesn't get clawed back from you, right? Oftentimes you can earn up to 200% of the actual sale. So you might sell a $47 product and earn $100 for that $47 product, or $80, well over the $47 price that you went ahead and sold it for, and you never have to deal with refunds. On top of that, usually payout is even quicker, all right? So with CPA marketing, because there are no refunds, or at least you don't feel the refunds as the affiliate, you'll get paid on usually a weekly basis, meaning that you can add more cash flow because you don't have to wait for the 30-day refund period to go ahead and be up that the product owner has, the product creator usually has, in order to go ahead and get paid your commission. So those are some of the pros. Once again, high payouts compared to the actual price of the product that you're selling, added cash flow with increased payouts, and no refunds. If someone goes ahead and refunds a product, it doesn't go ahead and get clawed back out of your affiliate commissions. All right, now the con, very simply, is just that you don't usually get a cut of the back end. So as an example, if you sell a $47 product with traditional affiliate marketing, you might get 40% of that $47, but then if someone buys a $2,000 or a $10,000 or a $30,000 course on the back end, or a mastermind or a mentorship program, you might go ahead and get 30 or 40% of that $30,000, which can equate to a nice big $10,000 commission or up, with more of a high ticket affiliate marketing setup, where with CPA marketing, you're essentially forfeiting the ability to earn that back end commission based on the fact that you're gonna get all the pros that we discussed just a moment ago. So that's kind of the difference between the two. Obviously with regular affiliate marketing, if someone refunds too, the commission gets clawed back. And usually because there's a 30-day refund period with most products out there, it's one of those things where as the affiliate, you make the sale, you have to wait for the 30 days to pass, and then you go ahead and get paid the commission. So a little bit slower payouts with traditional, but again, kind of higher upside as well. So with that said, now that you kind of know the pros and the cons, what I would say is use CPA marketing to add additional cash flow. Use CPA marketing to essentially diversify your income, add additional income streams, and add income streams that allow you to add more financial agility to your business, meaning that you make a sale and you get paid more quickly, so you can then reinvest more money into more advertising to drive more traffic, to make more sales, to make money more quickly once again, and to rinse and repeat the process. So now that we know what CPA marketing is, what the differences are between regular affiliate marketing and then of course CPA marketing, let's go ahead and cut to my computer screen. And I wanna go ahead and share with you a couple spots so you can find good CPA networks. And then secondly, how to actually choose CPA offers that do really well for you and your business. And when you stick around till the very end, I'm gonna give you a product 100% free that'll show you how to get tons of traffic to your CPA offers. Let's go ahead and cut to my computer screen right now. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do in order to go ahead and leverage CPA marketing is find a CPA network. Now, very simply, a CPA network is just a network that you can sign up for that has a bunch of different CPA offers. So let's say if you get started with a network and you have 50 different offers to select from, you can then send traffic to those 50 different offers. You don't need to sign up for any of the offers. You don't need to buy the products. You don't need to invest in the programs in order to go ahead and promote them. The minute you find a good CPA network, you can have unlimited amount of products pretty much to go ahead and promote, especially if you find a few different networks, and very quickly have multiple new offers to promote that convert very well. So the first thing I've done is just come over to the good old-fashioned Googlies and type in best CPA affiliate networks. And as you can see, all of these suggestions popped up. Now, I am unfamiliar with some of these. I'm familiar with some of them. And also I want to give you a few of mine that we use very regularly. Max Bounty, Perform, Global, Wide, Click Dealer, Peerfly, CPA Lead, Memo Link. As you can see, these are all options that would absolutely be worth checking out, getting signed up for, looking at the offers, and checking out if the offers will work for you in your business depending on what niche you're in. All right, so just go over to Google, type in best CPA affiliate networks, and a list will pop up. Then there's also additional articles that you can go ahead and check out that give you, the 20 best CPA affiliate marketing networks, top 9 CPA affiliate networks in the world, 10 best CPA affiliate programs. And if you just go through each of these actual articles, check them out, sign up for all the various networks. What I recommend doing is signing up for 15 or 20 networks, checking out all the various offers and all the various networks, and kind of seeing which networks have the best offers for your actual market, so that you can have the best message to market match when you go ahead and promote. Now I want to go ahead and show you just a couple that I've used in the past. So we actually have used Max Bounty in the past for our own personal marketing efforts. We've used Click Booth, which is now Perform. We've used a network called Cash Network, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. And we've used a network called Nexus Offers, which once again, both of these last two, we've actually used more than the other previous because once again, they're more specific to our market. So this is an example of a few different networks that are not in this list of, best CPA networks according to Google, but we did a little bit, additional research. We found these additional networks and they ended up doing really well for us in our business. So I highly recommend you do the same.